Hello friends, good morning. I'm back again this week with our second part of our test data generation series video. So in the previous lectures, what we have seen is we have generated test data using Mocaro tool. So let's complicate things a bit more. So let's have a look at it with a live scenario or production like scenario. So in the above example, what we have is we have two tables. One is normal table wherein we are capturing the KYC details of the customer, and the second table is a transaction table. Let's say, for example, whenever you are doing any transaction from your an ATM, your transaction ID is generated against your account number. So that account number is a kind of foreign key for that particular table. So in this example, if we have a scenario like this and we just have been provided the schema, then how would we be able to generate the data from the scratch? Let's try to solve this particular problem. So if we want to try to solve this particular problem by Mocaro tool, then what challenge it would occur? Let's have a look at it. So this is a Mocaro tool. Over here, it takes the details or schema details of a table at one time only. You can just provide the schema details of one particular table and it will generate the details of that particular table. It will generate the rows or the number of data set for that particular table. So let's say if there are two tables in which we want to establish relationship and then generate the data, then in that case the Mocaro will fail to generate data maintaining the referential integrity. So if Mocaro fails to do so, which tool can come for the rescue? Which, yes, I have the solution. There is a tool called mockup data. So friends, let's see how mockup data generates test data maintaining the referential integrity. So since we are using the trial version, we will have to click on continue with trial, new project, and let's name the first table wherein we are capturing the KYC details as account details. Okay, we'll name column as account number. Okay, and we'll keep this column as unique. Okay, normally the account numbers are numeric and sequential in nature, so it will also give you the privilege to keep the sequence. So we'll keep sequence as 1000 and step as 5. So our account number will look like something like 1000, 1005 and 1010 and so on. The next column would be first name. So first name, then you need to click on this plus icon. The names are generally in text string format, so we'll keep it as text. And this is subtype. Subtype is nothing but the this subtype is nothing but the type of data dictionaries, which is similar to what we were doing in Mocaro tool. So we'll select first name. You can see sample it as the names. The next column was email ID. Okay, similarly click on plus icon, text, and we'll select email from the data dictionary. It also gives you privilege to have a custom domain like .com, .in, anything as per your requirement. Okay, the next requirement is to design the relationship between the primary table and the child table. The child table in our case is transaction table. So let's name it transaction table. Okay. Transaction detail. My bad. Okay. We will name the column, first column as transaction ID. ID. Okay, and this is also sequential and numeric in nature. Okay, the next next column is column of our importance. That is nothing but the account number. Okay, now this account number it should be the same account number which was present in the account detail table. So what we need to do, we need to set this column as for foreign key. So we'll set it as foreign key. Now we'll set up the relationship between the transaction detail table and account detail table. So for that to do that, we need to click on set foreign key, account detail, and then we need to select account number. So we have selected account number. So that's that. So the next requirement was to have a duration, the time of transaction, the transaction time. Okay, and let's click on plus icon and keep this as date and time. Okay, and let's keep format as any format you can take. Okay. Normally it should give you timestamp also, but it's not giving. Okay, now this is done. Now let's have one more table. We'll name it as loan detail. So loan detail will have number as first column name as loan ID. Okay, and this loan ID must be linked to account number. Okay, so we'll have one more column as account number, and again this account number is nothing but the foreign key. So foreign key, set foreign key, and similarly we select. So we have three tables right now: account detail, which is the primary table, and the transaction detail and loan details are the child tables, wherein the account number is present as foreign key in both the tables, transaction as well as the loan detail tables. So we will preview the data set which we have generated. We have three tables: account details, transaction details, and loan details. Let's have a look at this particular table. Which is our primary table or parent table. We have account number, first name, and email ID. This account number, let's have a look at this particular data detail in more detail. We have 1000, 1005, 1010, and this particular same account numbers should be present in the transaction detail tables as well. It should not happen that transaction detail should have any other account number which is not present in account details table. So we have transaction ID 12345, and you can see the same account number which were present in account detail tables are also present over here. In similar way, the same account numbers which were present in account detail tables are also present in loan detail tables. So that's it. We'll generate the CSV. And friends, if you found this video useful, then please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such technical videos. Till then, thank you.